What's going on, guys? Sam Bouret here with Adorama TV. It's so cold outside right now, but this is what we love to do. Today we're shooting horses, and I wanted to shoot some images when it comes to the relationship between the rider and their horse. Let's go shoot. For this shoot, I'm working with the Flashpoint XPLOR 600 Pro 2 paired with the Glow ParaSnap 44-inch Octa. My camera of choice is the Canon R5, and throughout the session, I'm switching between the Canon RF 70 to 200mm and the 50mm f1.2, depending on the look and compression I want. We started right in front of the barn for the opening shots, and for this setup, I was using the 70 to 200mm to take advantage of the compression and keep a bit of distance between myself and the horse. Almost immediately, the biggest challenges became apparent. The wind was strong enough to constantly catch the diffuser, and the cold temperatures didn't make things any easier. On top of that, when you're photographing horses, patience is everything. You're not just waiting for the rider's expression, you're waiting for the horse's expression too. My approach is pretty consistent. I always start wide to establish the scene, then work my way into medium shots and close-ups. After I felt good about those shots, we moved to another part of the farm with a white fence in the background. By this point, the horse had started to relax a bit more around the light modifier. Horses can be surprisingly cautious around large white objects, so giving them time to adjust is key. There was another rider at the farm, so we walked together to a different area and I switched gears for a moment, shooting natural light portraits with the 50mm. Once we reached the next location, I brought the strobe back in to maintain consistency and control over the light. I honestly wish I could have shot much longer, but the cold really started to limit how much time we had. Moments like these that remind me why I love working with just one light. Simple, intentional, and capable of creating images that feel strong and authentic. All right, guys, that's it. Let me know your thoughts about those images. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.